This is the next trend. It's called micro cement. Here we have it applied on the walls throughout the entire house. And what I love about this product is that the paint, it's already mixed in there. To really appreciate this product, you have to see it in person. First thing you'll notice is the character and texture it will add to your home. As you can tell here, we've also applied this product in our shower and bathroom as well. It is 100% waterproof and eliminates the use of tile. This product can be used indoors and outdoors, so order with Shems today.